There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.
Hey beautiful babes, hey, welcome into the channel, Behind the Scenes. Yes, we are, your girl Sweet Angel, just showing y'all the ish I bought online. Oh my goodness, y'all, I've been loving this robe, so I got another one. These are so nice. The first one, which is the pink one, that one is the Maximata women robe. It's a soft kimono type robe. Same with the other one. I love the fabric, kind of a t-shirt kind of fabric. Very comfortable, very lightweight. I had to diss my little fleece robes for now because it's just too hot in the kitchen. The one thing I love about this one though is that the actual belt is attached, so I love that. And then, girl, I got me a Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener. Our old can opener, been gone a long time, and we've actually been using just the hand model thing or majig that I hated, so I had to go ahead and shop Amazon for the robes as well, Amazon for this Cuisinart can opener, and it's pretty quiet. That's what I love about it. It's super quiet, and that's pretty good. It had a pretty good price on it. Nice little affordable price. And then your girl trying to get her background together when I sit at my desk and I get on camera. This little floral plant here, artificial flowers in a small ceramic vase with these faux roses, are so cute, and also has the little eucalyptus leaves and berry flowers and so forth. Really cute. And then I got me a nail drill. This one is a portable one, like handheld, and I do like this because whenever I'm doing my fake nails, you can use this to kind of clean, well, not really clean up, but kind of buff them off, buff the shine off, and buff that inside that's going to lay on your natural nail so that it can have a little more grip to it. Comes with sanding bands, a brush, files, the cord, all great, USB compatible. And then I said I wanted a new nail drill, but let me tell you what happened. My old drill was going to go to Maddie, which is the same as this Melody Susie nail drill. However, oops, no fault of my own. I don't know what happened, but I ended up with two of them. So y'all, she did get a new one and I got a new one as well. So bingo bango for her. And of course, y'all have seen these before on my nail channel on Sugar Fingers, but I just have it in black this time. It comes with a foot pedal. It does come with drill bits and also sanding bands, which I don't really use their drill bits at all. This is the AC/DC plug, and honey, yes, this one I love so much. It doesn't overheat like one of the older models we had. Well, not of this one, but of another one that we were using, and I love it a lot. And it's lightweight. It's really able to sit just about anywhere. And I love that you can dial up the speed of the RPMs that you want. And again, very nice. Now, I don't really use the foot pedal, period. I did when I first got it, but it's just a hassle, especially when I move around a lot. So I didn't. Now, y'all, we're going to talk about this little device in a whole video. This is the Makati 3-in-1 body slimming device. I'm going to be using this to shave off some fat, honey, on the belly and waist. It's going to rejuvenate my skin and all this good stuff that it proclaims. We gonna see. And it came with, or I ordered along with it, all of these other little gizmos and gazmos. And y'all see this mess under my desk? This has got to be handled. I bought me a plug here, an outlet that has like, how many ever outlets on it? I mean, little plugs, like 10. Also USB. Yes, I gotta revamp over there and get that straightened out, because that's not gonna work. Heavy duty cord here. Love it. And shooting back over to the nail supplies, I got another lamp. This is a UV LED lamp by Melody Susie. Y'all, my little lamps, they're cute and fine, but when you're really doing some heavy duty, you know, poly gel, you want all this stuff cured, you want things to really get the job done, this is perfect here, and I can put my whole hand under it. Love that a lot. I really needed to get, you know, one that was heavy duty. And this one I love so much. When I plug it in, I'm going to show you that is barely, you barely have to touch it to switch it from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. It's really, really cute. I love this. Let me just go ahead and plug it in and just demonstrate for you how easy it is to touch. Like, I just fan my finger over it and it just changes like so, just like that. And once you set the number of seconds you want, when you put your hand under there, it automatically turns on and turn off, or you can set it to stay on, either way. But I thought this was nice, and this one was really affordable. I wanted, you know, a larger one, but I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg for it. I think this is just perfect for what I need, and when I'm putting on my nails, I can actually put my hand underneath it as well, you know, and hold on any poly gel. And girl, don't talk about me, because I went over on Sephora. I didn't go to Fenty this time. I got the Fenty beauty products off of Sephora. Got me a brow pencil, which I mentioned to you all I was going to do that in medium brown. And I also got the one of the Gloss Bomb cream, I guess a lip gloss to me, but this one is in honey waffle. This the color or the shade or whatever. And as my gift, they did send along a Melt Rebound liquid lipstick in there. Yes, the name of it is Rebound. So I look forward to trying that out, but I am going to swatch these for you so you can see. But this is the brow pencil right here. Really nice. I have used it now and I love it. I use my other pencil, but I use this one because, see, it has this skinny little point on it, which really helps to get a great clean line around the brows. And that's what she looks like right there. And then here is the Fenty Beauty Cream Gloss, or whatever it is, in honey waffle. That's it swatched on my hand there. That's what it looks like. Love it. Love it. I do. And this is the Melt Rebound liquid lipstick right there. So that's really cute. So that's my little Sephora haul with the little goodies right there. That's all I ended up getting, but I just wanted to try those items out, the brow pencil and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb cream. And if you've been over on Sugar Fingers, you know I'm doing a giveaway of this beautiful Babe cup. Absolutely. So it's going on right now. So head over to Sugar Fingers, subscribe, hit the bell, follow the instructions on that video so that you can enter to win this beautiful Babe cup. I'd love to share it with you all, so make sure you get over there ASAP. And hold on, I had to do some Ulta shopping too, because thanks to Lady G, I got hooked on my brand fragrances again, you know, name brand fragrances. Tresor, I used to wear this all the time. And C, Giorgio Armani C, had to get it again. And I bought some eyelashes. So we're going to, on Sugar Fingers, do some eyelash try-ons. If you're looking to kind of just, you know, select which ones you want, I picked up some Jasmine Brown Eyelure lashes, and I want to share those with you. And that'll be over on Sugar Fingers. So check that out. You know, real soon I'll have it there. And I did get a sample of the Lancome La Vie est Belle fragrance. And y'all remember my 360 little spinning tray here, organizer. I decided that I'm going to go ahead and just make one tray with all of my high-end fragrances. So that's why I'm here today and showing you that, because I'm going to put my C in place. I put my Tresor on there as well. And yes, I'm just going to start a whole collection over here on, oh, this is in my bedroom, on my bookcases that I put up, if y'all recall that. And I put my Tresor right there. So really, that's it. I am finito. That's all. I just wanted to show y'all that, beautiful babes. Thanks for hanging out with me on this fun haul. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, go over to Sugar Fingers, subscribe so you can win the giveaways. And y'all, I'll see you on the next one. Please make sure you do what you do, and that is share me with your world. Toodles.